If there's anything that will make making of okra so tiring and stressful, is the slicing of the okra, like chopping it to the sizes you want to use. So this is me. I've already washed my okra, then now I'm cutting off the head. Come and see how easy it was for me to slice this whole lot of okra. So this is the last washing. I'm washing it with salt to prevent bacteria or to kill the bacteria around it. Now let's
One of the
move.
best reasons why I never regret getting this Niger set processor, Niger food processor. So this is okra I would take 100 years to chop before. Now let's see how this chopper is going to bring it down for few minutes only. We're on it. Do you see that? We're done. We're done. The next one. Yeah, you can imagine doing this one with knife. How long is going to take? Daddy, you're disturbing mama. You're disturbing mama. So I'm making okra soup. This is how I normally make use of it. Daddy, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Show you second method on how you can also chop your okra. 1 minute. So guys, this is how it turned out.
Where are you putting?
This is how it turned out. So guys, this is the second process. If you want it to be that salt, chop. Because I want it to be a big chop, chop, chop. So you just do this.
So guys, this is how the second one turned out. If you don't want to use the slicing method, you can also have this method to use. There's still another one I didn't use on this video. Maybe next time when I'm making my okra, I will use it for the purpose of the video because I don't like my okra chopped that way.
Let me know what's that food or what's that soup you can eat twice a week and you will still not get tired of it. For me, it's okra soup. Okra soup. With a lot of stockfish, dry fish. No. But mom, why will you do that?
No. What tiny?
Right? Mama want to watch you eat.
What big?
Delicious. Guys, come and join me.
That's what?
It's hot. That's what
yours.
mommy want to give you. Test it. Test it now. That's too big. You can't swallow that. Take. Just tell me say you won't carry me play. Just tell me say you won't carry me play. Test it first. Oh Jesus.
Eat.
Is this not too big? It's too big. Cut it small. Baby small, Benjamin small, food small.
Okay,
Let's come eat.
then.